Hi, good morning. Today I'm talking about the seminar topic is session and cookies. First of all, we need to understand what is session and cookies and what is things, this type of things. First of all, we need to understand when we is searching about logging about logging a Instagram page or something, Amazon or something like that. And after a long time, we close the phone or laptop. Then we re-logging again that web, Instagram and Facebook or in, everything, and we can access without logging the page again. How we can access it? That is session and cookies working like that. So first of all, we need to understand what a basic story. I'm a telling a storyteller. I like a lot of stories. I like learning by stories. That is things. First of all, the things a hotel and a security guards. First of all, we need to understand this is a hotel. So I created this hotel, and the hotel name is and everything. You can say everything, and this hotel have a security. This hotel is like there are a lot of say, hotel members staying on their flight for buying flights and something like that. Then and the hotel clients. First of all, this is a hotel client. The client is first yesterday come to the hotel and buy a room. The client name is Faiz, it's me. And first of all, the security is like is old age guy. So the security have memory leakage issue. So that is the thing in this story. First day I come to the hotel, then security ask, "Who are you? I didn't come. I don't know. And what is your name?" So I tell him, "My name is Fayaz, and my this is I yesterday come yesterday. So that is I know I don't you don't know me. So I explain the things about me. Then security entered to under me to the hotel. So I entered to the hotel. But today, that day after that tomorrow, the day after that, I come again after working or something like that. The security ask again ask. The security forgot about yesterday's aim. And security again ask, I don't know I don't know you. Who are you? And what is your name? Everything is. So I again explain my name is Fayaz, and this is there is a room in for me, and I come the day after tomorrow, day after the before 2 days ago. So that's then after explaining my details, then the security entered me to the hotel. But sometime 1 week later, the security again ask these things. So the clients are from the hotel. Everyone is frustrating. So at the time, security understand these things. Security understand I am forgetting everything. The clients are like they are angry about me. So these things. Though security decided to write a notebook to uh, give a right the right details of everyone. So security take a notebook, not buy a notebook. Then this is the security server. The security is forgetting. This is server every time forgot everything. So mm, the user is our devices everything is the security is server seen the real life. So the server every time forgot everything after this case. So server created the security is this the server security is created a notebook. Then the notebook have a details writing area. Then I come my bias come to the security. Then security ask, who are you, what is your name, everything is. Then security written everything in the session in the notebook. Then security understand the things. Oh, okay, you are name, and then everything. Then security create a paper and then return a name or a value or number or anything on the, then give it to the user or to me, Fayaz. And Fayaz, then security tell them, every time you come to the hotel, then give me the paper, then I will understand it. So the next day, I'll come to security. Then the security give me the paper. Let's have a number. I'll give like 5,000 everything. Then security look at that and it's 5,000. Then you look at the book notebook. Then it's have a 5,000 number. So it's have a name, it's a fires, everything details. So security enter me to the hotel. This is the server thing session and cooking. The notebook have in the security, that is session, and we security give me a paper and its number, and that is cookie. It's have a number or and everything, that is cookie. This is the thing in user. Then when we use login app server something, Facebook or in Instagram, then the Instagram the Facebook server ask me what username, password, everything. Then we will log in after when we log in, then the server, the Facebook and Instagram server will create a session on the server. Then give me a cookie, that's a number that when after that, when every time I enter to the Facebook or Instagram, then the cookie I ask the things with the cookie, then they will understand this is then giving this data. That is our thing here. So understand these things. So after this I will explain these things. That say what is cookie? And the definition is a cookie is a small piece of data that's text. Data server sent to the user per browser. That's I said from this type. And it's locally save our computer. That is working in this. And this is cookie with very small data, with like limited approx like 4 KB or something like that. It will be automatically sent every HTTP request with every HTTP request. This cookie also send it. Okay, and client side, this is saving in client side and live on our device, the server side is session. So that's it. And this Jim Locker analysis is I take this analogy, but the story is better than this analogy. I think the story is better than this. This is analogy is like gym cloth or something. So this better than, that story is better than this analogy. So I think move to the cookies and move cookie request. Okay, this code is seen from this image is I think big thousand. Okay, two cookies work. Send a response to header and the cookies save name a value. It's have a value. Then browser receives the header and save to the cookies file. Okay, the cookie is working like that. So then each every future request, the cookie send it to the this is HTTP request to the server. But here is the server, and the HTTP response will be from the server. It will be um, with the session details and data. That is working. And type of cookies, session cookie, person cookie, and third part cookies. There's a lot of things in like session cookies. We are creating a invite session when we logging or browsing on the window. That is session cookie. And third party cookie and participating cookies also have. And this is remember me how the age everything is saving the person. Okay, and third party cookie like third party cookies, like when we say, like we can actually explain like when we access a website or something, then there is a asking is cookie allowed or something like that. So that is third party cookie, that will be saved our data for like third party extra data. not the login that only. So, it will be save extra data for understanding what we are looking for. So before the future website, when we get enter to the website, then it will be say, yeah, we are searching for something iPhone something. Then we allow the cookie. Then the cookie understand he asking for a iPhone or something. Then next time we enter to that website, do we understand he asked for iPhone, then show the iPhone ad or something like that. That is their part cookies. So understand this. And session is the server state, that is security things, and the server state, and a session where to store data server used to approve the multiple page of website. It means you'll be understanding things. I says about a lot of clients on this hotel. Then server created a book or something, then to rate every data of every clients on the hotel. That is the same thing is working in here session. So that is everything is for sensitive data, something to save on the server, and there is no limit on the core session, because cookies have limited 4 KB or something. So every request we need to send that, so to have limit. But session don't have a limit. It will be huge or something, anything big, or everything is it's dynamically. So session workflow is like same as like this is when we user send a credential login or something, then server verify that thing. The image also is then something big, that is why I can't say. Then I will explain these things. The server verify them, then server create a creation server creates a session object in id or memory mongodb or something like that in the server side, generate a unique id for the user. Session, that is session id. Then the session id give to the handshake. The session server says send a session id to the client's cookie. The cookie is in a cookie, then cookie will save that session id. Then mm, and then when the user has to do the everything from the server, then access client has sent the id back, then server look up this with this id, then give the data by related to that id. That is session workflow and future of cookie and session. Still security law. I think this is not visible. Law visible edition. The cookie is not editable by but this is this cookie don't have security. So, we can edit or something, remove or something like that. But session is hidden from user. It's only access in the um, server side, and cookie is tracking authentication token performance everything, but session is sensitive data authentication, everything is used for sensitive session. And real life use case is like a shopping cart or something like that. When we accessing the shopping cart or like Amazon everything, then so we access or we searching or something, we login, then it will be remember the things in the session id or in the cookies and the session id. The session will be or the cart. When we put something in the cart, then session will store that cart. That is working very well. Then it will be remember me. It will say like remember me after a few days ago. Then it will be we can access that card. That is remember analytics. Uh, this is the workflow of this. And other this is I need to explain something on this. How we can create a session? We can create a session using HTTP. Uh, Express JS, we use it, easy to use that session. We can use session. You can Express dot session. We can Express hyphen session is to have a inbuilt file or something. can access that, then we can create that thing using this. Sorry, this is we can use three things in it: secret key on secret and resave and cookie. Secret is a session that cookie ID keeps in private. The secret key is secret will be saved the session cookie ID, session cookie ID, session cookie ID. It will be saved in the secret. And resave, prevent unnecessary saves. Prevent unnecessary save. There are a lot of things will be saved in the system, but the resave will be saved. Unnecessary prevent will be unnecessary save, and cookie will be set that security flag. We just discussed it. That's thing is security flag. When we another cookie or something ask you something, they will not allowed. That is how work as per session, as per session. And this is all the summary: cookie and session and security picking. So cookies is client side stands for something is, and mechanism is good for ID and or something for small, so not sensitive data. And session, server side storage and secure and scalable cookies. Like the session server side storage, cookies client side storage. Client side is not just storage, it's a transport mechanism. So ID only there is, and security is HTTP. Everything is we can making security